Now we actually found a 918. Hey guys, what's going on? This is Daniel, or LAOC Exotics here, and today we are actually crashing a rally that just happened. I overslept, I didn't get to go on the rally on the road, but I drove over to Javier's, that was the ending destination, ate some really good food, had a nice lunch, and yeah, let's check out some supercars. First car we have here is DDE, Daily Driven Exotics, the Tire Slayer, twin turbo, 1,000 horsepower Huracan. You guys know this car. And then right in front of it, we have the GT3 RS for PFS Danny, another DDE car. We got a GT3 RS parked right next to the craziest 458 I've ever seen in my life. Do you know how much money went into this thing? It's crazy. It's like a GT3 kit, wide body, really wide fenders, crazy mirrors. It's like sitting on the floor. Look how low that car is. Crazy wheels, carbon fiber. This is a real build. Horsepower Nismo GTR. SV Roadster. So we got Fresh Kicks car here, the sickest R8. Look at those wheels, no one's ever put them on an R8. Cartel Funds put them on a Huracan, Fresh Kicks put them on an R8, and they look dope. Sick Porsche build, GTR, a normal 458. Got a really sick GTR, 812 super fast. Some cars are flying by me right now. 458, Huracan, Lotus Amphora. You don't really see too many of these. 430 Scuderia, another 430, 570S, 812 super fast, 16M Scuderia, these are rare, and then a 430. GT3, GTR, Performante, and another GTR. This one's done by Sheepey Race. Even more cars. We got a 488 Spider on some sick wheels, Performante, 720S, and an Aventador Roadster. Just noticed this 430 Scuderia has an Uber sticker. Imagine going on the app, needing a ride somewhere, you're running late, you're like, oh, I hope I get a fast car, and then boom, a 430 Scuderia. Yeah, I wish I could have a day like that. Everyone's taking off. drone pilot right here. There's that drone.
His video quality.
On the screen right here,
and
it's actually
right there.
showing the drone footage. Oh, and there it is.
Hey, let me do another run with you.
We're here at McLaren Newport Beach in the parking lot. McLaren Newport is just around the corner. We found this pair of SVs. These actually belong to a father and son. The son drives the black one and the father drives the white one. So we're inside McLaren now. They got a really cool Senna. Super dark blue with silver wheels. $1.5 million. Presidio blue, less than 200 miles on it, so it's pretty much brand new. Only been driven a few times. Man, if I had 1.5 million, it'd be hard to say no to this. We have an MSO 688 HS. There's only 25 of these in the world. Super rare. Then another limited car, an MSO X. There's only 10 of these. This one's number 7, listed for $400,000. Let's check this car out. 5.0 harnesses. Nice wing on the back. Looks just like a 570. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up the video. Let me know down in the comments section what your favorite car is from the video, and let me know what color you would get it in. Alright guys, I've been LAOC Exotics, and I'm out. See you guys.